Good morning to my friends and my family in YouTube. I would like to say thank you so much to those people believing me, to those people that subscribe me in my YouTube channel, Ruti Peters. Because without you guys, I would not reach 17,000K without you guys, just because your help for me. And whatever I get in YouTube, and I can help that one in the Philippines. The people need it. Thank you so much. So please, if you see this video, please subscribe me and watch my YouTube channels, even just sometimes, because every views what I get, it's donation in the Philippines. The people need it in the Philippines. By the way, I'm Ruti Peters from Australia. My base in Australia. I live in Australia. I do the blogging so I can help donation in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Please share my videos. Thank you everybody. And I really appreciate it if you do share my video and watch my video and subscribe me. Like I said, I'm still learning on the YouTube channel. I've been only here in the YouTube channel for a week and a half, and I'm really happy. I have a 17,000K, and that's surprising for me. For a small blogger like me, it's surprising for me. I'm so happy here. Or I keep thinking that the more viewers I can get, the more people will subscribe me. It's the more people I can help. Donation in the Philippines. Every cent it's count for donation in the Philippines. For my family and the people back there in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Good morning. Thank you.